This is a tropical storm wind test. We're at Tropical Storm Fay in DeLand, Florida. We're going to just test the wind. Remember, safety precautions. Of course, the match worked. It's so windy, you can't light the lighter.
Yes, the smoke moves briskly to the west.
Ah, that was the east. I think there's a funnel cloud.
Now to the south. You can see the wind from Fay is unpredictable. Here's test number 2.
Winds are variable today.
Fay is a very unpredictable storm.
It comes and goes. We'll just keep an eye on this for a couple hours.
This is very valuable data we're gathering here. This will be helpful to future research in the subject of weather patterns. This concludes our Tropical Storm Fay wind test.